Hi, Tim Skell here, ABB HVACR Application Engineering Manager. Today we're going to be looking at ACH580, and I'm going to show you how you can check the firmware version in both the drive and in the control panel. And it is important to note that the drive and control panel have two completely different sets of firmware in them. One is dedicated for the drive, one is dedicated for the control panel, or you might know it as a keypad. So before I dive into that, why do you want to look up the firmware version? Well, at ABB, we're constantly improving our drives, so we're adding feature sets to our drives. So if you have a drive from, say, 5 years ago, it doesn't have the same feature set as a drive that we would ship today. So the first thing you need to do is know what firmware version is in your drive, and then you can work with ABB to find out if it makes sense for you to upgrade your firmware. So it's feature sets, and of course the occasional bug fixes are reasons why you might want to look at having a new set of firmware put into your drive. So let me walk you through on how to check what firmware version you've got. So you're going to walk over and go ahead and click on Menu on your drive. You're now going to scroll down to System Information. Either hit Select or the right arrow. And now you're going to see I have the drive and I have the control panel. So to check my drive control firmware, I'm going to go ahead and click right here. And right there, I can see my loading package version is 2.20.0.12. So that's my firmware version that's in the drive. Now I can back out. And if I want to see the firmware version that's in the control panel, go into there. And I can see the firmware version there is version 5.95. So there you have it. Very easy. If you want to find the firmware version in your drive and your control panel, just go to Menu, go to System Info, and there either go to Drive or Control Panel, and you can see the firmware version. Thank you.